Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. Here's some footage from an installation in Bradford, West Yorkshire. The cameras we used have human detection and create a beautiful colour picture at night time. The cameras are set to record every second and linked up to your mobile phones for remote viewing. The CCTV will send the owners notifications to the mobile phones when a person is detected. The human detection software reduces the majority of false alarms. The cameras can also produce a stunning colour picture at night time. This helps with the identification of people and vehicles when playing back the footage. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.